So in our previous video, Dave, we were looking at Amendment 3. You mentioned something called WRAG. What is WRAG?
WRAG stands for Wiring Regulation Advisory Group.
Yep.
And it consists of several major organisations within the electrical industry. What we do is we produce commonly asked questions and produce some answers to those questions within this group, and the answers are published on the website.
And then are those questions based on new installations, or might there be some good information for existing installations?
So there's actually two sections. There's one for new, rewired and similar, and there's a second section for if we're conducting periodic inspections, things like that. So it covers all areas basically.
Okay, and then how does it work? The WRAG, you said that it's got some other organisations and other people involved.
So we might have a contractor that's got a question or a technical inquiry that they've probably first and foremost took to their certification or trade body.
Yeah.
And then that may filter through from one of our members, and then they'll bring it to the table at WRAG. We'll all have a look at it as a collective. We'll come up with a suitable solution, a suitable question and answer, and then it will filter out into our website, and that will be seen as the industry guidance.
So that's not electrical safety first view, and it's not mine or your view, is it? It's everyone's come together by consensus then to give the best advice and guidance.
Exactly, and that's the strength of the group. It's the industry view. It's not just one certification or trade body or charity's view. So yeah, that's the major benefit of the group. The information on our website is free. You'll be able to find the link to the Wiring Regulation Advisory Group part of the website in the description below.
Is there like a search tool within the website? So let's say that I was unsure about what type of RCD to use on, I don't know, a particular piece of equipment. If I was to type in RCD, would it come up with a number of suggestions?
That keyword straight away, using RCD in the search box will bring up any relevant question that's linked to RCD. So yeah, the search tools are a brilliant thing to use.
And I suppose if you were carrying out an EICR for a landlord, one of your clients, and there was a query around a particular coding or part of coding, if it wasn't in our best practice guide 4, and there was some advice and guidance on the WRAG, you could show that to the landlord, couldn't you, or the client, because it's been agreed by consensus. So it's industry guidance, isn't it?
Industry's view, exactly.
So it's a really, really useful part of the website that, I assume that not many people know it's actually there.
That's right. There's hundreds and hundreds of questions that are available to cover both new and existing installations, so it's worth having a look if you haven't already.
And for the new installations then, is that where it may not be 100% clear in BS 7671?
Yeah, that's the whole point of the group. It's to sort of clear up any anything that's been maybe misinterpreted from the regulations, where something's maybe not quite clear. And we try and produce these questions and answers to make things a bit more accessible, a bit easier to understand.